Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi and we are again together to discuss about the grammar topics. Earlier we have studied about the topic pronouns. What were pronouns? Pronouns are those words which we use in place of noun to avoid the repetition. And personal pronoun is also a part of pronoun. The first and basic pronoun is personal pronoun. Where we use personal pronoun? I am going to give an example that if I talk like this, Meenakshi's mother said to Meenakshi to do Meenakshi's work. Is it looking good? Is it sound good? No. Instead of this, I would say my mother said to me to do my work. Here my, me, my, these are pronouns that we have used instead of the nouns. It makes a proper sentence and makes it sound good. Alright? So, personal pronouns are of two types: subjective and objective. Subjective means the action doer. Action is taken by the subject, that is noun or pronoun. So I am again giving you an example. Suppose there is a room and there is Ram and Shyam in a room. Alright? Ram is speaker and Shyam is listener. Ram is speaking and Shyam is listening to his talks, and they are talking about Richa. She is not present in this room. She is not present in this room. Ram, who is the speaker, he would use the pronoun I. And Shyam, who is listener, he is standing in front of him, and Ram would use you. And they are talking about Richa, and while talking about Richa they would use she. Alright? For example, I am telling you that she is very intelligent. Here the speaker I, listener you, and the third person who is not present is Richa. Here is used she for her. Alright? So the person who is speaking, that is first person, and who is listening, that is second person, and the person who is not present in that talk, that is third person. Alright? Here all of these are singulars, because they, in the subjective personal pronoun, there are two forms, singular and plural. Alright? Personal pronouns are basically depends on different types, different point of views from which view we see them. And there are two forms of everything, singular and plural. We have seen that on different point of view we divide them on first person, second person and third person. In first person personal pronouns, subjects are used as subjective, and singular, for singular we use I, and its object is me. Me is used as the subject. Then first person plural means the speaker. These first person would be the speaker who is speaking. As now I am speaking, then I am using I. Okay. If I am singular, I am speaking about myself, then I would use I. If there are more than one person and they are speaking, then we would use we as a subject. Alright? We are human beings. We should follow, we should respect nature. That is combinedly more than one people are speaking. And for object, we use us. Plural object. First person plural object is us. Then is second person. Second person, the person who is listening. Like you are listening to me. I am using word you for you people who is listening to me. And these both are used for the singular and plural. You is used for the singular and plural. Whether you are single person listening to me and whether more than one person is listening to me. I would use you are brilliant student. And if you are more than one person listening to me, I would say you all are good listeners. Alright? And its object is also you. Both singular and plural. Then come to the third person. Third person is the person who is not present in the talk. Like I am speaking, you are listening, and if I talk about the third person, suppose Ram, who is not present in our talk, then the Ram is third person. If that is male, I would use he. And if that is female, then I would use she. And if I am talking about any animal or non-living thing, any chair, bike, then I would use it. Alright? And for object, I would use him for he, she, her for she, and it would it only. Alright? These are the objects of he, she, and it respectively. Then third person, plural. Plural, if we talk about many person, more than one person, they are out of this talk, then we would use they. They are sincere person, they are loyal, they are our neighbors, then I would use they. Alright, and for its subject, I would use them. Alright, so these are personal pronouns that we often use in our daily talks. It makes our speech really impressive and it sounds good. So I hope that you have understood it well. If you have any kind of doubt, you may ask in the comment box. Thanks. Have a nice day.